What's going on, guys? Got my 2015 Boulevard here with about 11,000 miles on it. Just did an oil change and about to do the gear oil. They recommend SAE 90 Hypoid oil. It's just a high performance oil, so any GL5 will work. I got 75 W90. Some people do 80 W90. This will do the trick. The shaft is right here, and you got the drain bolt at the bottom right there. That's a 17 millimeter. And you got the fill bolt at the top. I'm sorry, I got that backwards. The drain bolt at the bottom is a 21. The fill bolt at the top is a 17. Go ahead and break that fill bolt loose. I've already done that. And then take out your drain bolt so you don't create a vacuum and make it hard for you to take the top one out later. Get some foil or something, run it through the wheel so you don't spill any of this on the tire, because it will cause dry rot. And then just get your drain pan ready, get it all out, put the drain plug back in, and just fill up until a little bit oozes out of there. I'll show you guys that when I'm all done draining. So there, I got the drain plug and the fill bolt out. There's not much in there to begin with. It's about a pint. You could literally use a little to-go container. When you get your fill bolt out, make sure the gasket is still in place, the little rubber gasket right there. And then take a look at your drain bolt. It's magnetic, so it'll collect any shavings, any gunk. So this isn't too bad. Definitely there's been worse. Just go ahead and clean that off. Put the drain plug back in. There's no torque spec in the owner's manual, so just tighten it down pretty good. Fill it up until the fluid comes out of there. Wipe it off, close it, and then you're all done. It's recommended to have the bike a little warm before you do this, so the fluid's warm and flows easily. But that's all there is to it. If there's any questions, feel free to hit the comments. Don't forget to like. Peace.